Marlo, happy birthday!
Hi Marlo, happy birthday! Thank you sa lahat na kahit nandiyan, ang haba, nakakahiya. Basta, kahit na nandiyan ka na sa US, hindi ka pa rin nakakalimot na tumulong. Ayun, happy birthday ulit. Miss ka na namin. Bye-bye!
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, I know you want.
Hoy, pre, ano yan?
Ben, napakabano mo.
Teka, alam may cooldown pa eh. Ano cooldown? Ano ba?
Huwag ka na mag-Dota.
Okay.
Hoy, pre, ano yan? Ikaw ah.
Ayaw ko gumawa ng gripo eh. Akala mo ano eh. Oy, your birthday.
Yo, bro, may joke ako. Pwede yung hindi corny? Oo naman. Di ba magaling ka sa English? Englishin mo to, one word lang Hindi ka pa nakakakita ng tsaa. Ang balay ko. University. Happy birthday!
Ito ang mga bagay na tinuro mo sa amin. I hope you're proud. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Ikaw na. Ay, Marlo, happy birthday. Ayun. Sana maging maganda yung...
Hey dude, happy birthday. And yeah, I'm filming in the bathroom because there are people outside. Yeah, anyways, congratulations on, I don't know, living for another year, I guess. And I wish that you'd continue to do so for as long as you can. Yeah, so, again, happy birthday and peace out, bitch.
Hi, Master! Happy birthday! Dahil kinantahan mo kami ng birthday namin, kakantahan din kita dahil birthday mo. Okay. For all the lowest times you stood for me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrongs that you made right. Okay, tama na, uulan. Sayang, Master, apat sana tayong nandito sa UP ngayon. Tatlo sana kayong natatanungan ko tungkol sa math. Tatlo sana kayong matatakbuhan ko sa tuwing feeling ko mag-isa lang ako. Okay naman si Alan at Alan, syempre, pero parang syempre iba pa rin pag nandito ka. Ayun, miss ka na namin. Hindi namin alam kung paano ka pasasayahin ngayong birthday mo. So, sana this video would do. Happy 18th birthday. Legal ka na. Alam na din. Hindi, joke lang. Good boy. Ay, may babati pala sa'yo. Ito siya. Tanan! Tanan! Okay. Tatawa siya. Wait. Ayan. Happy birthday daw. Master, pinangako ko sa sarili ko na pagbalik mo dito, natahol pa to. So, sana mangyari. Ayun. Happy birthday ulit. So, bye. We love you.
Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo, more birthdays to come, tapos, stay handsome, stay guwapo, stay healthy, tapos, be good, saka enjoy mo yung araw mo. Yun lang, happy birthday!
Maganda ka na, boy. Umuwi ka na. Happy birthday. Umuwi ka na. Umuwi ka na.
Hi Marl, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Tanda mo na, mag-18 ka na. 18 ka na pala, sorry. Aral kasi ako ngayon eh. Aral ako ng medical abbreviation. Baka ikaw rin, pagdaan mo yan kapag nag-take up ka na ng college. Gusto ko muna sabihin, God bless. Enjoy your day. More blessings to come. And sana maging masaya ka pa sa pang-araw-araw mong buhay. And good health. Sana hindi mo laging makalimutan yung mga memories na nagsamahan natin as Euphorics. And for sure, hindi mo naman talaga kakalimutan yun. Kung nasa stress ka, nandito lang ako, kausapin mo ako, okay lang. Kahit busy ako, okay lang. As I said, panoorin mo lagi yung mga ginagawa ko, yung mga pinost kong videos, fourth year videos, paano yun, yung Euphorics AVP, CAT, pinost ko na yung CAT, hanapin mo na lang. Basta yun, pang-tanggal stress or pang-remind of memories. Hindi ko pa nagagawa yung card, yung happy birthday card kay Allen. Pero pag napanood mo na tong video na to, for sure tapos na yun. Nagawa ko na yun kasi 16 ko pa yung binigay, which is bukas ngayon. Ano pa ba? Gusto ko lang sabihin, nakakamiss na yung mga times na nagagawa tayo ng videos, lalo na yung AVP ng Forex. Na-miss ko na rin yung nanonood tayo ng Adventure Time. Na-miss ko na rin yung nagawa tayo ng cover. Hindi natin natuloy yung cover sa Everybody's Got Somebody. Nagawa lang natin yung Let It Go, Frozen. Pati yung For the First Time in Forever, yung reprise. Kalimutan ka natin. Well, anyway, pwede naman natin magawa yun sometime. As much as possible. Sana mag-sem break ko na. Sa'yo na yun kapag sem break na. Ano pa ba? Yun lang. Wala na rin akong maisip eh. Well, sana excited ka na kasi malapit na ang school year, yung manta ka na, kung ano man iti-take mo, masaya ako. Kung physical therapy, may kasama ako. I hope na sana magawa mo pagdating ng school year, ma-enjoy mo ang school, or hindi man, mamiss mo kami. Wala. Pero yung yun lang sasabihin ko, if you have any problems, nandito lang ako. Huwag kang mahiya sa akin, syempre. Nandito ako para tumulong sa'yo lagi. I'm your helping hand, as I promised. And to be honest, you're my closest friend in the Forex. Alright. Miss you. Happy birthday uli. Sana mapalago pa natin ang friendship natin, mas matatag pa tayo. And I hope makapunta rin ako dyan ng Amerika pag nakagraduate na ako, pag naging PT na ako. Okay? Abangan mo ako, ha? Okay. Okay. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, bro! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, bro, dude! No, yan. So, yan. You're older again. And I hope you enjoy your day. And loner ako ngayon kasi si Nadjo may kasama. So, ako nasa LB kasi. So, yeah. Christ. Yun. So, we're always here for you. And I hope you stay just the way you are. And if you ever need somebody to talk to, I'm just a message away. Yun. And I hope you come back
kahit visit lang so we could hang out and jam. Yeah. Yeah. Yon. We miss you and I hope you enjoy your day. And yeah. Happy birthday. We love you and yeah. And yeah. Yeah. It's weird. I'm talking by myself in my apartment without anybody else in here, so yeah. This is not normal for me. Yeah, so sorry if I'm awkward. Yan. I'll just send my even more heartfelt message if this wasn't enough on Facebook because yeah, I just can't put my thoughts into words right now. Not right now because camera shy. Yeah. So happy birthday again. So enjoy and we're always here for you. Take care. Bye bye. Fist bump.